Oh, hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel, Knowing an Angel. Oh! Well, I am super excited because finally I'm gonna get to play with one of the most beautiful sets from Colourpop, and it is by Frozen. Oh! But I've been super excited to start playing with their collection. Oh! Or more like their collection. So stay tuned, cuties. You guys want to see a beautiful look from this beautiful collection box. And look at that. It's so cute. Oh, and double G. Ooh, it feels like a nice, cute Christmas gift. Oh my goodness. Look at that, guys. It's so cute. So this is the cute palette. Wow, look at the colors. They're so cute. I am super excited. So this is a glitter gel. It's called the Dark Seal. And I'm so excited. Ooh. I don't know if you can see it, but it's nice, cute, and super sparkly. OMG. Finally, I'm gonna get to play with some sparkles because, honey, I love sparkles. This is a Little Snow lipstick. Ooh. It's a lac lipstick. Ooh, and look at the color. Super cute. This is the Mystic Journey lip gloss. Ooh, and it looks super cute. I love it. I'm so excited. Well, cuties, this box is literally so beautiful. I love all the stuff. The colors and the palettes are so beautiful. So let's say no more, honeys, and let's start with this beautiful look. My face is already been nice, cute, and washed. I already have toner, moisturizers, and facial oils. Thank you. Because, honey, it's very important to take care of your skin. Make sure of that. Thank you. So first thing I'm gonna do is gonna do my eyebrows and put some eye primer by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Thank you. Oh my god. I'm just kidding. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna do that and I'll be back real quick. Mwah. I wanna use my little cute Anastasia Beverly Hills mirror and see what's up. Oh my. Ooh. Love set. Just a little bit, honey, take you a long way. Ooh, all right, I'm super excited. So now we're gonna play with the palette. Oh, see where I wanna put this at. I wanna put it right. Oh my. And just pat it nice and slowly. Ooh. Honey, trust and believe she is pigmented. So let's see what's up with this. And I'm using the same brush. Obviously, clean it a little bit. Oh, okay, let's see what happens. Ooh. Oh my god, is that looking wintry at all? Oh my god. So I'm gonna get another brush. This is the brush number 8. This is a blending brush and I'm gonna blend it a little bit around here to see what's up. Oh, OMG. This is going from the queen of the snow to the queen of the snow is gone. Wow, and I'm loving it. Oh my god. Ooh. It's not looking as wintering as I thought, honey, but it's looking cute. Oh my god, guys, please. I don't know if I'm doing something right or not, but let's see what's up. And I'm gonna concentrate this right here in the center. Ooh, talk about drama, honey. Talk about drama. This is a little something more stellar. Oh my god. So I'm gonna put a little bit of, I'm gonna do a little bit of cut crease around this area. Yeah, I'm gonna do that because I wanna put some glitter, some scandal. Oh my. Ooh, okay, so now I'm gonna use a little bit of these beautiful ice crystals. It's like a silver, beautiful color. I'm gonna put it around this area over here. Oh, that's so cute. And now I'm gonna use this beautiful color over here around to finish this corner. I don't know what I'm really doing, but I think this is more inspired like, I want your stupid love, 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 like this. Oh my god. Going from Frozen to Lady Gaga. Oh, so I'm just gonna use my finger. Nice and cute. Now I'm gonna like press it a little, slowly strokes. Alright guys, as you can see, it's looking like a whole galaxy in here. And I'm gonna take it there, honey. Now we're gonna use the beautiful glitter gel. Oh my god. And since we're in the galaxy, we're gonna take it to the whole universe. I'm gonna put it around here in the blue. It's like, wow, looking super sparkly, guys. And to be honest with you, I'm kinda loving it. It's cute. So, I'm gonna put a little bit of silver, a little bit of the purple, and blend it with all this, okay? Oh! Is that how you bake, guys? Well, I don't know. Comment down below. Is that, am I doing it right? Am I doing it wrong? Because at this point, honeys, I think I'm messing up bad. Awkward. Woo! She's powdery. So I'm gonna use some bronzer from Maybelline. Little bit of a bronzer to give some color to this face, honey. Oh! Oh my, talking about some bronzer. And I'm gonna use my contour palette. Like TMI. Oh! I'm gonna do a little bit of blush. I'm gonna be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills blush. Ooh, I'm just gonna mix these two together. Or, yeah, I am. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Yeah, don't be afraid of blushing it up, honey. And right after I put my blush, I like to put a little bit of translucent powder. And I feel like that make it look a lot more natural. Oh! She's powdery, honey. This one over here. Ooh. And honey, don't be afraid of your highlighter. Okay, now time to do the lipstick. Well, I'm getting almost ready with the look. I'm not done yet, but I'm gonna still put a little bit of setting spray. I think I'm still gonna put a little bit of the lip gloss. But I'm gonna wait for this to dry up a little bit. It looks so gorgeous. Ooh. So for my eyelashes, I'm gonna be using the Ruby May lashes. Ooh, look at those. They're supposed to be premium 3D lashes. Ooh, that means extra nice, cute, and hairy, honey. Loves that. Yeah, and they're super cute. Look at that. OMG. Wow, this eyelash is beautiful. Like, I want your love, 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 love. Oh my god, wrong song. So hot. So before I do the other eyelash, I'm gonna put my lip gloss because I don't wanna forget. Ooh. It's cute. I mean, it's super cute. It is cute. Loves it. I just don't like the fact that it gets dirty, so let me clean it up. Thank you. Ooh. Loves it. It's looking very dark. Ah, this is frozen nighttime, honey. Ah. So now from Colourpop, from the Overchromatic eyeliner collection, I'm gonna use this little blue pen under my eye. I'm super excited. Pero extra. Ooh. As they say, if you're gonna clear it up, clear it up for real. Well, let me tell you guys, this set was beautiful. It was amazing. Super fun to play with, super easy to apply. Everything blends beautifully. I love it. Everything was super cute. I would totally recommend you for you to get this collection from Colourpop. Ah, I love it, love it, love it. Look at the glitter though. Wow. Everything was so beautiful. I feel like so cute. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Mwah. Love you all, and I'll see you super soon. And knowing an angel. Oh!